1. Infusion pump installation. Attach the infusion pump to the infusion stand and keep it steady. Connect to AC power. Two. Power on and install the IV set. Long press the power on button around 2 seconds. Open the front door. Install the IV set into the fluid path after air bubble is primed. Make sure the IV set installed in right vertical position. Close the door after IV set well installed. 3. Screen display introduction. The white square is the cursor. The infusion parameter can be selected by moving the cursor. The battery icon shows the battery remaining capacity and the charging status. Trumpet icon. It means currently muted when there is a cross. Infusion status. Pausing, infusing, calibrating. It is the 3 infusion status displaying. VTBI shows the volume to be infused. VTBI shows the current remaining volume during infusing. Time shows the time required for the VTBI. Flow rate shows the current infusion rate. Flow rate unit, milliliters per hour and drop per minute. 20 drops per minute IV set, 3 milliliters per hour equals 1 drop per minute. One unit flow rate is okay, and the other will be changed accordingly. Infused volume shows the total infused volume to the patient. Volume metric shows the current infusion mode. Hongfeng 20 drops per minute shows the current IV set brand and specification. Infusion schematic diagram. When infusion starts, it shows the falling down fluid. Pressure dynamic value display. When the value is changing, it indicates there is down occlusion. Running indicator. When infusion is going, the fall light will be rolling. 4. Button introduction. Menu exit button. Enter into the menu or exit to other menu. Button introduction. Menu exit button. Enter into the menu or exit to other menu. Mute button. Mute button is on means silence, and silence time is 2 minutes. Silence status will be clear automatically after 2 minutes. Start/stop button. To start or stop the infusion. Up/down button. Move to the select menu. Set, enter. Set and confirm the parameter. Prime button. Bolus long press to prime the air bubble and double click to bolus mode. Power button. Long press 2 minutes to power on or power off the device. Power indicator. Indicator on means connecting AC power successfully. Battery indicator. Flashing means battery charging. Long line means under battery supply. Number button. To input the number. Decimal point button. To input the decimal value. Clear button. To clear the data or the alarm. 5. Set parameter in quick way. Power on. Flow rate shows the white cursor. If no, press Set Enter button. Input the number. If no need to change flow rate, press Set Enter or Up, Down button for other setting. Press Up, Down to set VTBI, time, flow rate, infuse volume. Select the number and press Set Enter to proceed. 6. Menu introduction. Press menu to enter. 1. Select IV set. Select the IV brand to be used to measure the infusion accuracy. 2. Alarm setting. Set occlusion sensitivity, air bubble sensitivity. Press Up, Down to select from level 0 to level 9. Lower level, higher sensitivity. 3. KVO setting. Defaulted KVO rate and defined KVO optional. KVO rate 0.1 to 5 milliliters per hour. KVO means keep vein open after infusion finished. Four. Bolus to set the bolus flow rate and volume. 5. Drug library mode. To add, edit, set the drug parameter. 6. Advanced setting. 1. To calibrate the IV set deviation, the new IV set brand must be calibrated. 2. Edit IV set. To add, edit or amend the IV set parameter. 3. Standby time. Set a standby time under no operation period. 4. Motor setting. To set the torque of the motor. 5. Other option. Different model has different option. To activate up occlusion sensor. To activate drip volume mode. Press hook to activate the function. 7. Start infusion. Prime the air bubble in the IV set and set all the parameters correctly before doing the vein venipuncture. After that, press Start, Stop to start infusion. Please observe the infusion at least 1 minute to make sure everything is normal, and observe the infusion status regularly. 8. Stop infusion. It will come into KVO mode after infusion finished. Press Start, Stop button to stop the infusion. Press Power button around 2 seconds to power off. Close the roller clamp and remove the needle from the patient. Open the pump door and take off the IV set. 9. Alarm. When there is alarm, observe the patient first to make sure the safety of the patient. Then, deal with the alarm issue. If no problem with the patient, stop the infusion is the priority action. 1. Air bubble alarm. When there is air bubble alarm, press CLR button to clear the alarm, and long press prime button to prime the air bubble to the downside of the faucet of the IV set and check the size of the air bubble to decide continue the infusion or prime the air bubble out to the IV set. Please close the roller clamp during priming and make sure no fluid into the patient. Close the roller clamp and remove the IV set after infusion finish. 2. Occlusion alarm. Check if the roller clamp is closed, needle is blocked, IV set is folded, IV set is pressed by patient. If roller clamp is not open, press CLR to clear the alarm after open the roller clamp. Then, press Start/Stop button to start the infusion. If the needle is blocked, do the venipuncture again and then start the infusion. If the IV set is folded or pressed by patient, then please unfold the IV set and press Start/Stop to start the infusion. 3. AC power disconnected alarm. Check if the AC power is connected well or not. If no, connect to AC power. 4. Infusion finish. Close the roller clamp, power off, and then remove the IV set and infusion pump. Calibrate IV set. New infusion pump and new brand IV set must be calibrated, or there will be serious infusion deviation. Prepare an IV set to be calibrated. A bottle of 0.9% saline, a 10 ml measuring cylinder. If there is no measuring cylinder, a 20 ml syringe can be used instead. Install the IV set and prime the air bubble inside. Make sure no air bubble inside the IV set and no fluid falling down. Put the IV set needle into the measuring cylinder. Press menu to enter. Select Advanced Setting. Select the IV set brand to be calibrated. Add a new IV set when there is no brand name. Set parameter. Flow rate 50 ml per hour. VTBI 10 ml. Select the IV set brand and specification. Press Start/Stop button to start the calibration. Infusion finish after 12 minutes around. Check the actual infused volume in the measuring cylinder. Keep at least 1 decimal of the actual infused volume. Egyptian 9.8 ml. press Confirm and calibration finish. If the first calibration deviation is too big, please do the calibration 1 to 2 more times with the same method, following the remind message on the screen, until it is within the deviation desired range.